is one of the fastest electric cars I've ever driven. And go! Crazy! Wow, what a performance! I was about to take off. Wow! 3, 2, 1, watch this. Oh. So we are now right inside the all new Audi RS e-tron GT Performance, and I will be now demonstrate you the performance of the car. We are here at a closed track and test facility that Audi has closed here for us. We'll be putting on the seat belts, and I mean, talking about it, yeah, 925 horsepower. How does that actually feel like? It's crazy. I'm telling you, the drive down here was already extremely interesting. And now we are here on a closed track, and we'll be doing acceleration measurements as well as a bit of slalom driving, just to see how the car is performing here. Let's put the car into drive and put it already in RS1 or RS2 mode. Okay, car is also lowering at this point here. Let me just start a bit of the driving here. The steering is now way more direct than it was before, and here we can start with the slalom driving. Super easy, direct steering. Just do a turn here. Pretty cool the way the car's actually doing that. Super easy. Wow, lovely. And you can even do that a bit fast as well. As I mentioned, we are here in RS2 mode. Just go right into it. Here you go. Wow, what a performance. 925 horsepower. Let's do another one. A bit of wheel slip. And then, yeah, super cool, extremely sporty suspension as well, balanced. The brakes are good, but yet again we have a lot of weight pushing us. But anyways, 925 horsepower, and you feel that. This is pretty cool. So there's something quite interesting that I have to show you now, is the active curve tilting. So we will be driving in comfort now, and we'll show you how that works. So they told me best speed for that is the 80 kph. Yeah, we'll see how the car balances. See ya. Did you actually feel that? I mean, the direct difference between how I drove on my first 2 tries and now. Let me just do that again, one last time. Crazy, that's so good. Here in direct comparison, now in performance mode, 80 kph, do the same. Ah, it's okay. Just do that again. But now let's also do the 0 to 100 sprints. Let's go. Okay, now it's actually time to do the thing. 0 to 100 is 2.5 seconds from Audi. Let's hope we can beat that. We have the acceleration measurements here on the left side on the display, and yeah, foot is on the brake, full gas, and go. Crazy. We did 2.5 seconds as Audi is just saying it. And Yeah, I'm around 100 kilos. Wow, let's do that again. And go. Well, I forgot to measure the time, but it's crazy. I'm getting goosebumps. Wow. What have you guys done? 925 horsepower with a total weight of 2,500 kilos doing 2.5 seconds. Is crazy. I was about to take off. Wow. Well, let's measure the time one more time, okay? Let's go. Okay, another time. I'm just resetting the previous numbers, holding the brake as hard as I can, flooring it. Launch control is activated and go. 2.5 seconds again. Crazy. That's crazy. 2.5 seconds. I want to do 2.4. I really want to do 2.4. Let's do another try. And this car is so fast. It's one of the fastest electric cars I've ever driven. I mean, in terms of performance and weight, I'm not comparing anything to Tesla or something. This is honestly crazy. The feel, the acceleration, the performance, the power output is unbelievable. Okay, final one. 3, 2, 1, and go. Wow, 2.5 again. I mean, as Audi is claiming it. Also the brakes are extremely good. Carbon ceramic brakes. You feel the weight of the car actually pushing you from the back, but Audi has got a suspension that's actually pushing the rear down again, just balance it all out, make the drive more comfortable in comfort mode, not in performance. Wow, we got a bit of wheel spinning, but anyways, this is absolutely crazy. Guys, just to demonstrate you the forces inside this, I have an iPhone here, just a regular phone. I will just hold it here and watch me do the launch control and see what the phone does. Okay, 3, 2, 1, watch this. Oh. Crazy.